Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to make music like Alan Walker. To make music like Alan Walker, you must have sounds like these. And if you don't have these sounds, then don't worry, all the presets and samples which I'll use in this video are with the FLM in the zip file. Download from the link given in the description. Here is a short review of what we will make today. First of all, set the tempo to 97 BPM. Then make some emotional chords like this. Then I added a low-pass filter, removed high frequencies with EQ, and added a reverb. After putting these effects, now it sounds like this. Now make the Alan Walker signature pluck melody like this. After making the pluck melody, I added a soft distortion, removed high frequencies with EQ, and added a reverb. After putting these effects, now it sounds like this. Now make another melody with another signature sound of Alan Walker. For this melody I added a simple reverb and delay. And now it sounds like this. Now add a respass. Remove high frequencies with EQ. Make pads like this. Then I layered it with strings like this. For pads I created a FX channel, removed some high and low frequencies, added a chorus and a reverb. And now it sounds like this. All the elements you saw till now were for intro. Now let's start making drop elements. First make leads. Remember that it must be an Alan Walker signature lead. I made one more melody because it should not be boring. Now layer it with more leads. For leads, I created a FX channel, added a reverb, delay and autoduck for sidechain. And now it sounds like this. The lead part is done, and now, it's time to make chords. Then I created a FX channel and removed some low frequencies, added a stereoizer, reverb, one more EQ and autoduck for sidechain. And now it sounds like this.
Nice.
Now add a sub-bass. Add a sub-bass like this. Make simple drums like this. Also add a crash in the starting of the drums. Now make the build-up. I made this chord progression for the build-up. And the build-up sounds like this. And add some SFX and you are done. Now let me show you tip of the video. It's a very cool tip. Here I have super saw chords like this. I will turn this into arpeggio like this. I will go to voices and turn on the ARP mode to down. And now it sounds like this. After putting some effects, now it sounds like this.
Nice.
And finally, here is the final result. Thank you so much for watching. Like the video and subscribe to the channel.